Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Wonder Boy. This is a gopher turtle. Look at him. Do you ever see a gopher big like this one? Look at him. Eh? That's a huge gopher. Look at him. Eh? This is a gopher on my farm. This is one of the land turtle. But this, ladies and gentlemen, I got a puzzle for you. Wonder Boy got a puzzle for you. Can you guess how old this turtle is supposed to be? Guess that for Wonder Boy. Alright? And I want you, if you like this video, like and share and subscribe. Big up Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy taking care of wildlife. So look at this turtle for me, ladies and gentlemen. Look at him good. And if you can guess, Wonder Boy gonna see how heavy this turtle is. This turtle, ladies and gentlemen, this turtle, it's about, this turtle is about 100 pounds, ladies and gentlemen. 100 pounds. This turtle is. Wonder Boy says it, ladies and gentlemen. See him right here? So, welcome back to Wonder Boy Farm. This is what Wonder Boy produce and his farm. The big and the best. You can actually ride this thing, ladies and gentlemen. Look at him. This is a treasure. I never see them big like this in the wild yet. Big up Wonder Boy Wildlife. They come as big as they go. But look at this. It's about 100 pounds. When I lift this turtle, it's about 100 pounds. Wonder Boy says it, ladies and gentlemen. This turtle is heavy. Yeah. So, I want you to like this, share and subscribe. Big up Wonder Boy. Just look at him, ladies and gentlemen. This is a huge one. Yeah, he take his whole sweet time walking, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing to bother him. But he's a treasure. He living in the wild. Maybe he's going to live for the next 100 years, ladies and gentlemen, but he's going to stay here until he die. As long as Wonder Boy around and people actually take them and eat them, but as long as Wonder Boy around, they ain't gonna eat this creature. I'm gonna make sure he stay alive. Because sometimes you don't know where them at. But I will search for him. Now I know him is here. I will look for him. And I will try to protect him. Try to give him some feed and everything. Because this is a treasure, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Wonder Boy. Big up Wonder Boy, ladies and gentlemen. I want you to like, subscribe, and share to this video. And tell a friend to tell a friend. Wonder Boy in wildlife. No worries, my friend. Go along. Take your own time, go along. Nobody gonna bother you, yeah? Wonder Boy says that. Peace out, ladies and gentlemen, with Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy coming to you live and direct.